Hi, Vijay Mistry here, helping you progress to excellence. Now, if you observe a lioness about to attack, she's going to fixate on one particular prey. So, assume there's a herd of wildebeest, and she will fixate on one particular wildebeest, and it could be a slightly weaker one. But when she fixates and attacks, she will just attack that one particular wildebeest, even despite the fact the others could be running by her side, and it may be easier for her to pounce on another one. Here's the thing: in your project or your initiative, whatever you're undertaking, put your full 150% immersion in that one particular project, because what's going to happen is you will be able to unlock your capability to its maximum, and you will see that the results and the outcome is going to be much better, much faster, and will be more effective as well. So work towards making sure that you immerse in whatever you do, whatever your projects are. I hope this helps.